Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Dose of Math. Today we are going to solve this system of equation. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Okay, so here we have two equation and two unknown x and y, and we have to solve this system of equation and find the real value of x comma y satisfying this both two equation. Okay, so if you look at this, here we have x square plus y square, and here we have x cube plus y cube. So in these type of question, the usual idea is to first try to find the value of x plus y and xy, and once we have find the value of x plus y and xy, then we can form a quadratic equation from this sum of root and product of root concept, and then solve the quadratic equation and find the value of this x and y. Okay, so let's try to find the value of this x plus y and xy first. Okay, so if you look at this second equation, here we have x cube plus y cube equal to 416. I can write this x cube plus y cube as x plus y times x square plus y square minus xy equal to 416. Okay, and x plus y, and I can substitute this x square plus y square equal to 14xy minus xy equal to 416. Okay, so here we have x plus y into 13xy equal to 416. Okay, we can cancel this as 13 3 39, and here remainder 2 32. So here we get x plus y into xy equal to 32. Okay, and in the first equation we have x square plus y square equal to 14xy. Okay, if we add 2xy both side, x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 16xy. Okay, so we get here x plus y whole square equal to 16xy, and if we take square root both side, so we get x plus y equal to 4 root xy, or x plus y equal to minus 4 root xy. Okay, let me mark this equation. I'm going to use it, so let's consider this as equation first. Keep it in mind. Okay, now let's consider case 1, when x plus y equal to 4 root xy. Okay, and we have x plus y into xy equal to 32. This is our first equation, and I'm going to substitute x plus y equal to 4 root xy here. So we get 4 into xy to the power 3 by 2 equal to 32. Okay, so we get xy to the power 3 by 2 equal to 8, and if we solve this, we get xy to the power 8 to the power 2 by 3. This is same as 8 to the power 1 over 3 square. Okay, and this is same as cube root of 8 is 2, and 2 square equal to 4. So we get xy equal to 4. Okay, now I am going to substitute xy equal to 4. Now I'm going to substitute xy equal to 4 here. So from here we get x plus y equal to 8. Okay, so we have x plus y equal to 8 and xy equal to 4. Now if we consider this quadratic equation, lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 4 equal to 0, xy is actually root of this quadratic equation. So if we solve this, we get lambda equal to 8 plus minus root under 64 minus 16 over 2, that is same as 4 plus minus here we get 2 root 3. Okay, so from here we get x equal to 4 plus root 3, then y equal to here we get 4 minus root 3, and if x equal to 4 minus root 3, then y equal to 4 plus root 3. Okay, So this is our two solution from this first equation. Okay, first case. Okay, now consider this case 2. Case 2, when x plus y equal to minus 4 root xy, and we have this equation 1 as x plus y into xy equal to 32, and if we substitute here we get minus 4 into xy to the power 3 by 2 equal to 32. So we get here xy to the power 3 by 2 equal to minus 8. I can write this xy as xy cube, and this is a square root equal to minus 8. So we know this square root is always greater than equal to 0, and here we have minus 8. So from here we get no solution. Okay, so our solution is this: x equal to 4 plus root 3 and y equal to 4 minus root 3, and x equal to 4 minus root 3 and y equal to 4 plus root 3. Okay, so yeah, that's how you solve it. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. See you next video with another problem. Bye.